isn't gonna work. Oh! Man!
Pepper, salt, gotta have some salt. Good Thursday. What would you rather have? Pancakes or French fried liver? We gotta try it. You think it's done? Let's cut one in half. Let's see if this is cooked in the middle. It sure took the crust okay. Let's see. Oh, it looks cooked. It looks cooked. Oh, French fried liver from 1956, marinated in French dressing. I tell you, I'm a little scared. Can I just take a nibble of it? Let's just take a nibble. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Oh. It said to use pork liver. It recommended pork liver. Oh. Oh. Wow, maybe with chicken liver. This is calves. I thought this would be better. Maybe more salt? Here's a really crispy one. Let's try the really crispy one. More salt. This is a really crispy one. I'll give it one more try, okay? I don't taste the dressing at all. It's tender. Wow. Okay. Ugh. At first you kind of taste the Ritz and that beautiful Ritz crust coming through. And then you get hit with the liver. What if you dip it in French dressing? Oh, we have to try it and then I'm out of here. Let's try it. This is a mistake. This is a mistake. Let's do it though. Oh, the story with me and liver. Sometimes I like it. I liked it as sushi. I made a video about making some liver braunschlager sushi liver. I loved making chicken liver pate for my dad because it reminded me of grandma and going to see grandma, and my dad loved it. All right, let's do it. Oh, Oh, here we go. That's better. Okay, that spooks me a little. That spooks me a little. It actually tastes pretty good in that sauce. Let's try it again. Who knew? Let's do it. Just dip it in, and in we go. Wow, it changes everything. Okay, I'm a little freaked out. I'm freaked out. That dressing is kind of taking away a lot of the liver flavor. I've never bought this before. I have to try this on its own. All right. That's delicious. No wonder it's good. Let's get a close-up of dipping it, and then I'm going to let you go, but I'm shocked. I'm a little shocked. I tell ya. I'm dipping it, man. Dipping it in the sauce. Here we go. Oh, some crust. It's actually pretty good in the sauce. Man, I was ready to bail. All right, last bite. Wow. I wonder how this would be with chicken livers. All right, let's really soak it up. All right, here we go. Never mind. No. Oh. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching. Nope.